Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey Rose. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm doing a little Valentine's Day pink inspired makeup look for this photo shoot that I'm doing for my brand. Make sure you guys head over to allrose.co so that you can sign up for my email list and be notified when I drop this new collection. If you want to see how I got this super cute pink makeup look, keep watching. Get into it, get into it, get into it. I did my hair, I did these crimps, and I'm not exactly sure if I like how it turned out, but if you want to see how I did it, just let me know and I could do a video. I did crimps on my natural hair. I'm also filming like a behind the scenes vlog for this look, so if you want to see how I do my face base routine, you can head to my vlog to view that. But for now, we're just gonna get into the eyes. Let's see if I can find this eye look I wanted to do. I thought this was super cool, so I'm gonna try to do something like that. Let's just get into it. Get into it, get into it, get into it. I'm like loving my base today. You guys have got to go watch my base video. So this is for my line of rings. I don't want to show you guys everything yet, but just, wow, look at these rings. They're so pretty. Like, so I'm dropping around Valentine's Day. I don't know exactly when, but just go on my website, subscribe to my email list, and you'll be notified when it drops. Okay, girl? I think first I want to start with, let's swatch a few things and see how I'm feeling. That's pretty. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna go into this James Charles palette and take that hot pink shade there in the corner. I'm gonna go all over the lid. I've never done a look like this before. I've never just put pink all over my eyelids, so I'm kind of scared. And then it looks like she took like an orangey pink, but I don't really have that. It's upsetting me and my homegirls. I think I'm just gonna take this neutral pink and kind of blend this in up here. So I kind of mixed these two. I mixed this and this. So this is looking cool. I'm gonna just go back over it with this hot pink. Okay, okay. It's giving like sunset vibes. Pink sunset. I definitely want some more of this on this corner. And it looks like she just took a dark color and kind of smudged it like a liner. So I'm just gonna take this, and I think I'm gonna do it with like a deep purple from this 9J palette. So maybe like this, maybe, or I'm gonna do this one. So this one. And then I want to take like a sparkly pink. Maybe this one. Let's see what this looks like. That's pretty. I think I'm gonna do this light pink. Or maybe this. No, let's do brown. Yeah, I'm gonna do a bit of that light pink over top of what I got going on here. Then I'm gonna take this. Just go over that. It's not really applying how I wanted it to. I know my Narvina palette has some cool pinks. Let's see about this one. Yeah, that's a cool foily pink. So let's do that. I'm gonna take this brush and go into my Narvina palette. I'm actually gonna spray my brush because yes, that's what I'm going for. Pretty. Okay, what else did she do? She had a little bit more black in the corner. Let's see if I can find a deeper, darker purple. So, was this the one we used? I'm not sure. It's looking really, really nice. I'm gonna take some powder. Just like that. And I am gonna take this hot pink shade and go up underneath my eye. Look at my arm. I literally have like stuff all over me. But I'm done. That was like a really quick little pink tutorial. I love it. Love that for me. So now I'm just going to wipe off this excess. I'm definitely gonna do a little blush. I'm gonna use my Milani, what's this called? Girl, the whole thing just fell out. What the heck? I'm just gonna go ahead and deepen my contour a little bit. I did bake earlier, I forgot. Let me wipe that off. I think I'm gonna use my new Makeup Talk by Morphe. Oh, this is my new favorite. Is this not like my perfect nude? Is this not just like the almost the same color? Who tries to talk when doing lip liner? What the hell? Do we love it here or do we love it here? Like, wow. I just really came to give you guys the looks. And here we are. I think we need a little more blush though. Where's my NARS? We're just gonna have to take it back. NARS Orgasm. Maybe. Blush. Blush. That's what we really needed. No apologies about the blush. Like, okay, sis, you really did that. You really did that. I think we need to do something in the inner corner. Inner corner is looking like Celestial Thunder. Like a hot pink. Is this not just like the most fun makeup look? Did I just do a pink lip? So I just added this AVH Orchid. I actually don't think it's mixing very well. Either that, my lips just dry as hell, bro. So let's try again. This is just like, this has to be old. I don't know. I don't remember. But this is like so creamy and nice. Oh, I think it's so perfect. Okay, we're done here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you like these super fun, crazy looks, because I've never done anything like this in my life. I kind of just did it on a whim and I love how it turned out. Make sure you guys tune in for my vlog. You can see the behind the scenes of my photo shoot and you can see how I did my base routine. Yeah. Bye guys.